Today's date is April the 28th, 2015, and I am Raymond Bischoff. I am here because I want the American people to know and to be able to do something about judicial reform, judges and lawyers that do not uphold your constitutional rights. They burden you with the responsibility of paying expensive legal fees to make sure that your rights are upheld, and even then, there's no guarantee that they will, when they should. Did you know that we, the people in the U.S. Constitution, mandates that your rights and liberties are upheld and justice is established by every person that is under oath of Article 6 of the U.S. Constitution? I'm here because for the last decade, I have been subjected to unconstitutional takings of my properties by forced constructive fraud of my U.S. constitutional rights by persons that are supposed to be under oath and color of law, which is a judge or a lawyer. And there were no jury trials, and I've never received nor been paid one red cent for the takings of any of my properties. The court's documented records of these takings are clear and irrefutable proof and evidence of every violation of constitutional law, federal case history law, USC law, which is United States Code of the Federal Courts, and any federal act that may apply. My rights and liberties have been nullified and voided by these takings. Not only that, but you as citizens, your rights have been nullified and voided by these takings. Not only that, but these people that were under oath, they violated you because they're under oath to uphold your laws. So, what can we do about this? I'm here because I'm a veteran of a foreign war, as many of you probably are. And I'm not going to sit down for some judge or lawyer. I'm just not going to do it. My rights mean more to me than anything, as well as some of you probably know. This is America. We're educated. This is not the dark ages of the 1800s with carpetbaggers and scallywaggers. Our rights and liberties are guaranteed by the U.S. Constitution, and these people need to understand what that means, and they need to be responsible. There needs to be accountability. The judicial system has no real gatekeeper except judicial reforms, judicial review boards, bar associations, but what happens there? They're judges, they're lawyers, they have judicial immunity. They're not going to really do anything unless it's a real criminal act. Civil matters like I've been in, my judicial immunity protects them. So, I say those days are over. I am a gatekeeper as well as you, a citizen, and under proclaimed authority of the U.S. Constitution, I am prepared by just cause and reasoning to give new meaning to judicial reform. Proclamation of authority. This is public notice to the American people. I, Raymond Bischoff, by reservation of Amendment 10 of the U.S. Constitution, hereby proclaim the authority to revoke and nullify those trusteeships of oath to the U.S. Constitution for betrayal of that sacred trust of the people when documented by official records or proceedings. This authority is not prohibited nor claimed by the U.S. Constitution, the court, the federal court, the states, nor their courts, nor any federal or case history law. There are only laws pertaining to crimes of oath, with no mention of an oath being revoked or nullified. Actions against crimes of oath remain with those persons responsible for establishing justice under the U.S. Constitution. By self-determination, I proclaim this authority on this third day of January 2014. Raymond Bischoff. I proclaimed that authority last year, and I also posted public notice on Facebook. I'm doing it again on YouTube. I hope that you people that listen to this point it out to your friends, relatives, other people, and ask them to listen to this. And I hope you agree and understand what I'm doing here. This will make a change in this country for every citizen. I hope you also write or call up your U.S. Senator or Congressman, and I've written them a letter about this, the Judicial Reform Committees, and ask for a personal audience. I want them to understand and know that we now have something that we can deal with personally as citizens to make judges and lawyers recognize our rights. Even call up or write Diane Sawyer at NBC News. Let's make it happen. I'm just one person. I have an idea and I've done something about it. But it takes you as the people to really make it happen. Thank you. Take care. And please contact me personally at CJAG, that is the Citizens Judiciary Adjudication Group 2015 at yahoo.com. Need every American citizen to send in a note about this and agree with it. Chain mail, chain email. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Thank you.